Right then guys, on another dig, it's first signal, and got a bit of a sunbeaver here. It's looking quite thin. Hoping it's a coin. Feels like a coin. Let me give it a wipe and I'll come back to you. Yeah guys, I thought it was my first silver for the day, but it's too light and it's too corroded. I'm guessing that's just going to be a silver gilded button with a shank missing probably there. Well, crack on. Alright guys, set this one up. Nice little pistol ball. I think it's fired as well. It's a bit mangled. So I think it's been fired. So yeah, spot on. Right, on to the next one. Alright guys, it's still in the clod. It's just there. Yeah, it's a coin. That's a good one. Let's see what we've got. The ground's so hard today, it's unreal. It's like concrete. I think it's either a William or I think it's a William. You can see that on the camera. You can see his head there facing to the right. Yeah, I think it's a William of some sort. Farthing or something. Bit toasted on that side. Well, coin for the day. I'm happy now. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Right, Michael's on to his next coin. Let's see what we got, mate. Not a clue. It's got holes in it though, I think. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Whether they go all the way through, I can't tell. Just there, look. Yeah, it definitely goes all the way through. Yeah, it's some kind of halfpenny. Georgia's third. 1807. 1807, so it'd be Georgia's third, but 4 holes going all the way through it. That's nice, that. So, God knows what somebody's been doing. History on that, mate. Yeah, I like that. Smart, that is. It's unusual. Well happy. Cool. Right then guys, here's my next target. Quite deep down. Here's your pinpointer. So it's the length of the pinpointer. And to be honest, I don't know what it is. I'm kind of stumped with it. If it'll focus. It's like some sort of little bowl. I'm actually stumped by that. Looks old though. So we might be in a nice little area here. I found it just where Michael's just found his that strange coin with the 4 holes in it. So we'll go away at this little patch, see what we can windle up. See you on the next. Alright guys, back out on a faff dig, find a field. So I say thanks to Kirsty and Kieran for letting us on to at last minute. So this one come up. It's a nice little spoon. Shame it's not silver, but you know, not bad for the first decent find. Yeah, that'll do me. One for the patch. Alright, see you on the next. Well then guys, looks like I'm onto my first coin. It's just down here. I hope it's a coin anyway. Whoop. Sorry about that. Yeah, first coin guys. Looking like a penny. And it's a Vicky. See if we can get a date for you. 1896. By the looks of that. Coming in at quite a dodgy signal, so I don't know if it's because the ground's so dry, it's quite clay, and that's quite a deep signal as well, all the way down there, about 7 inches or so. But still, first coin. Crack on, I like that. Well then guys, there's the next signal, and it is toasted copper coin. You can just make out the portrait there looking to the left, but if I'm honest, I don't know who that is. It's just too crusty, it's too far gone. There's nothing on the reverse. So yeah, I'll keep going, see what else we can find. Cheers guys. Right guys, so this one pop out all the way down there, look. It's one of my favourites. It's a nice little spectacle buckle. Hopefully it's got some pattern on it. I do like these. Oh, that's a nice one, that is. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I do like my buckles. That's probably one of the nicest ones I've found in a while, so it's definitely going to go get cleaned up and go in my box. Go to my collection. So yeah, cracking. Have a nice day so far, so yeah, we'll crack on. See you on the next one. Right guys, sorry about any wind noise, getting a bit of breeze there. Yeah, just had this one up. I thought it's some kind of a spindle wheel loom weight thing. So I've been smacked by the plough. There's no design on it. Bit of a plain one, but I'll still get it cleaned up when I get home. Another one for the lead pot, I suppose. Bit mangled for me to keep. Yeah, so history's here. Right, on to the next one. Yeah then chaps, next signal. It's looking like a nice buckle, or part of a buckle. Give that a good clean up when I get home. It's quite an odd day today, to be honest. The ground's hard. Hammonds have come up though. I think someone's found a gold posy ring as well. So we're just not walking over it today. But we'll keep going. Right then guys, here's on the next corner in the side wall. Looking like a greenie to me. What we got? It's feeling like a possible Georgie boy with that rim around that. Oh, it's toasted again though, isn't it? But you can see the rim, this nice thick rim going all the way around the side there. Let me just get some squirty on that, bear with me. I've just seen Michael and he's just told me that there's been about 10 animals that have come up off this field today and we haven't walked over any of them. He's just told me that he's seen that lovely posy ring as well. What we got? Can't even make a portrait out on that, guys. It's a shame. Oh well, we can keep going.